morning. Good morning, Jazz. 10 बज्न आँट्यो. Gajar for my Jazz. Selects carrots. And cranberry and raspberry tea for me. Tea break. 3 to 4 minutes in hot water for the perfect cup. Using 1 bag per person. Pour on boiling water and infuse for 3 to 4 minutes. Leave for a little longer if you prefer a stronger taste. By appointment to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Tea and Coffee Merchants are Twining and Company Limited, London. Let's do hydration. Smells good. No. I heard there's a history of colonization, and behind the colonization, one of the major reasons was tea. These are some of my Dada's plants collections. Dada takes care of these plants every day. It almost died and my Dada woke it up and brought back to life. Really beautiful. I think with this one's indoor peace lily. And this one's my gift, which is not growing so well. I got this one from the road, and these things are all potted in Jazzco food container while she was little. Oh, this one's cute. I never take care of plants as much as Dada and Mamu. I think my favorite is this one. This one's looking so healthy. Hi Jazz, तिमी के गरेर बस्या? अल्छी गरेर बस्या? तिमी के गरेर बस्या? हाई फाइभ गरिदेऊ? Oh my god, such cute and such an obedient girl. Oh my god, such a cutie. I want to show you how dirty is my Polaroid. एकदम धेरै मैला भइरहेछ. मैले साराले दिएदेखि मैले एकचोटि पनि सफा गरेछन्. By the way, this is my gift by Sarah. Forever grateful and thankful to Sarah for so many gifts. On YouTube, my baby wipes ले सफा गर्छु. Oh, by the way, did you notice यो last time हामी potluck गएको बेलामा with my cousins? I'll tell you who are they. This is me. This is my mama ko chori. This is my chema ko chori, which means my muko baini ko chori. And this is my another mama ko chori. Where mama and fupu ko chori. I clean my Jazzco ear pani with the same thing. Pet wipes pani थियो तर एकदमै महँगो it cost us around almost 500. So everybody suggested us to switch to baby wipes, which is useful for dogs as well. अनि त्यही भएर उसको कान बेला बेलामा खै कानहरू अहिले त्यति फोर्स छैन. आई थिङ्क भोलि बिहान चाहिँ सफा गर्नुपर्छ होला. कान पनि यसैले सफा गर्ने गरेछ. सो लेट्स क्लिन द इन्स्टेक्स. So this video is basically about cleaning. I like cleaning vlogs. त्यही भएर मैले मेरो vlog पनि one of the cleaning vlogs बनाउँ जस्तो सोचेर बनाएको, but not every time, just for this one video. I hope you like it. And you have to boop. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. She's such a cutie. Ta-da! Safa bhayo mero Polaroid.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Bye.